What we got here is a Baja Warrior mini bike, swapping with the 196 Home Light, Predator 212 gas tank, and a Mikuni aftermarket Amazon one. I'm not using that exact one, but I have another one that's cleaner and newer. I just got all the bolts tightened down. I'm gonna see if I can use this rear tire. I may need another one. But yeah, gotta put some chain on and then adjust the carbs, run a throttle cable, and I'm done for the most part. But it's going up for sale, marketplace. I think just search up my name, you can see it if you're interested. I will ship out no more than an hour, and I will charge probably $50 to $100 travel. Can meet locally, less money if it's close enough, don't sweat it. But I will keep you guys all updated on the build. I'm gonna try and clean the insides of the fenders a little bit, and just get it going.